Hey everyone! Imagine turning your phone into a powerful car diagnostic tool in seconds. Welcome back to Best Product. Today we are talking about the best Bluetooth OBD2 scanner that fits in your pocket but delivers serious performance for car diagnostics. Let's get started. Meet the TopScan Lite Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. This compact device plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD2 port and connects to your smartphone through a dedicated mobile app. In just moments, your phone becomes a smart diagnostic system that you can use anytime and anywhere. At its core, the TopScan Lite handles all essential OBD2 functions. It can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, so when a warning light appears on your dashboard, you can quickly find out what is causing it. It also shows live data streams, which means you can see real-time information from your vehicle while it is running. Freeze-frame data gives you a snapshot of the car's condition at the moment a fault was detected. On top of that, the one-click I&M readiness check helps you see if your car is ready for emissions testing. You also get lifetime access to all 10 OBD2 testing modes. That includes O2 sensor tests, onboard monitor tests, EVAP tests, vehicle information retrieval, and DTC definition lookup. This gives you detailed insight into your car's health without needing bulky equipment. What really makes the TopScan Lite stand out is its full system diagnosis. It supports over 60 vehicle brands across American, Asian, and European markets. It can scan major systems such as engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, ESP, TPMS, immobilizer, gateway, steering, radio, and air conditioning. Instead of checking just one area, you can look at almost every important system in your car. The advanced bidirectional control takes things even further. This feature allows you to send commands directly to certain vehicle components. For example, you can test fuel injectors, coolant pumps, windows, or windshield wipers. By actively checking these parts, you can identify problems faster and with more accuracy. The built-in repair data library adds even more value. The DTC Repair Guide provides clear definitions and step-by-step guidance. You also get access to technical service bulletins, DLC locations, and a warning light library. These tools help you understand issues and plan repairs more confidently. AutoVIN technology makes setup easier by automatically identifying your vehicle information. The scanner also includes 8 commonly used reset functions such as oil reset, throttle adaptation, EPB reset, steering angle reset, DPF regeneration, ABS bleeding, BMS reset, and airbag reset. These features support regular maintenance and system recalibration. The TopScan Lite Bluetooth OBD2 scanner combines portability, deep diagnostics, smart app control, and advanced testing features in one small device. TopScan has created a tool that brings professional-level insight directly to your smartphone. Small device, big capability. Check the price link in the description and see how it can upgrade your car maintenance routine. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.